In this video, I will show you how to fix Forza Horizon 5 crashing. We will be covering a few methods that should help you fix this issue. Let's get into them. For the first method, try running your game as an administrator. Sometimes some processes related to the game can't be done without running the game as an administrator. To do that, go over to the bottom left of your screen, press the search button, and in there search for Forza. Then when it comes up at the top, just right click and press run as administrator. If the issue still comes up, move on to the next method. For the second method, we will recommend you set all of your graphics settings to low. Your computer might not be able to handle the game, so to do that, go over to My Festival right here, then go over to Settings, and once you get inside of Settings, scroll down and look for the Graphics section. Open it up. Then when you get into Graphics, just set everything to low, like I have right now. Try and play for a while and see if it crashes. If it does, then move on to the next method. For the next method, you should try and check if you have the latest version of your graphics card drivers. The game might be only compatible with newer versions of the drivers. To do that, go to the bottom left of your screen and press the search button, and in here write Device Manager, then press the application. Once you get inside of the application, open up Display Adapters, locate the GPU that you're using, right-click it, then press Update Driver, and here you can select Search automatically for drivers, or if you have them downloaded in your PC, you can press the Browse button and select them, but I'll just go automatically. And if you see this pop-up, that means that your drivers are up to date and you can move on to the next method, but if your drivers did update, try launching Forza. For the next method, you should try turning off your antivirus. Your antivirus might be making Forza crash by stopping some of its necessary processes to run. To do that, go to the bottom left of your screen, press the search button, and right here search for Windows Security. Open up the application at the top, and once you get inside of the application, select Virus and Threat Protection at the top. Then you will need to go over to Manage Setting right here, and disable real-time protection. To do this, just press the on button. Only do this while you're playing Forza and then turn it back on, because leaving it off for extended periods of time can leave you exposed to viruses and malicious content. After you have done that, try launching Forza and see if it works. If it still doesn't, move on to the next method. For the next method, you should check whether you have updated to the latest version of Windows. If you haven't updated in a long time, there is a good chance this is the reason for the crashing, as there is new optimizations coming with each update. To do that, go to the bottom left of your screen, press the search button, then write check for updates and open up the application at the top. Once you get inside of this application at the top, press check for updates, and if there are some updates that you need to do them and try launching the game once again. If that didn't help, move on to the next method. For the next method, try verifying the integrity of game files. There might be a corrupted file in the game directory causing the crash. This process will locate that file and fix it. So if you're using Forza from Steam, go over to your library, then find Forza in your library. For example, let's say this is Forza, select it, then press right click, then press Properties and go into Installed Files right here and press Verify Integrity of Game Files. But if you use Forza from Microsoft or Microsoft Store or the Xbox app, go to the bottom left and press the search button. Then in here write Apps and Features and open up the application at the top. Once you get right here, press this search bar and in here write Forza. Then select Forza and press Advanced Options. Once you get into this tab, scroll down and find the Repair button and press it. This will repair the Forza files, and after you can try and launch Forza to see if it works. If none of these work, try reinstalling the game as a last resort. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope we helped. See you in the next one.